Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the HTML links. Alright, so HTML links are the hyperlinks, simple hyperlinks, and we use the link for jumping from one document to another. So here is the syntax of HTML links. Okay, first you have to write the A, then the attribute href, then in the value of attribute href you have to write the name of the URL, and after that you can give a text to your link. You can also add the image if you want. It all depends on you. Okay, there is a one more attribute of a link that is kind of really useful because it helps you to specify that where to open the link. All right, and that attribute is a target attribute. Okay, it helps you to specify where to open your link document. Okay, so there are the four different values of the target attribute: self, blank, parent, and the top. Okay, the self value is the default one, and we're gonna also try these different values so we can see that what is the difference between these different values. Okay, so let's just see how the things work in the editor. Okay, now let me just write the syntax of the link href. Now you have to write the name of the link which you want to open. So I just want to go with the Google, so I have given it a link. Now I want to add some text here. Okay, now let me just copy this link and paste it again here because I want to give different values of the target attribute for 5. I think we are good here. Now I have to add here in first I want to add the self, in second I would love to add blank, and in third I would add parent, and in last I would like to add top. Okay, now we have the 5 different links and 5 different values of the target attribute. So let's just save this code and see how the things work in the browser. Okay, I think I got to add here the break. Okay, I think we are good here. Oh, well, let me add one more thing here. I think we should add a number just to differentiate these links, 4 and 5. All right, now we are good here, and now we would see that what is the difference between them. Okay, there will be the only single difference that was caused by the target attribute. In the first one we haven't add any target attributes, so it will go with its default value, which is the self. It will open the link here. In the second we are using the same default value, which is self. It will open the link in the same window or the tab. Now we are gonna use the blank link and see how the things or how the page opens in the blank link, or how the document opens up in the blank link. Go to the link 3, it will open the link in the new tab, and if we go for the parent link, it will kind of open the link in the same frame. Okay, so in the last we have the last value obviously, which is the top, and see if we just click on the last link which comes with the top value of the target attribute, and see how it opens our web document kind of HTML file. So this is how it works. It opens up the link in the new tab, and that's it. So this is how it works, and if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.